Nana, you know the vibe. We see you looking, you should smell the aroma in the kitchen when she cooking. She the real deal when she make a home cooked meal. She's Nana the saucy chef, she got skills. Nana the saucy chef, she got skills.
Nana the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Nana the Saucy Chef.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana the Saucy Chef. Today we're going to be making a root beer float cake. The ingredients that we're going to need today are root beer, any root beer of your choice, canned whipped topping, white cake mix, vanilla extract. I'm using Baker's Joy baking spray with flour in it, a box of Dream Whip, maraschino, cherries, eggs, and butter. Now to make our cake batter, we're not going to be using the instructions on the back of the box. So we're going to need 1 box of white cake mix. We're also going to need 1 1/4 cup of the root beer soda, 3 eggs, and 4 tablespoons of butter melted. And you want that to cool down. In a large bowl, I'm going to add in my cake mix. Then we're going to add in our butter, our root beer soda. Oops, sorry about that. And also our eggs. Next, you want to get a hand mixer, and we're just going to beat our batter until it's nice and smooth for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, you can preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Now you want to set your batter to the side. Now you want to get a 9 by 13 baking dish, and you want to spray it with your nonstick baking spray. Once you sprayed your baking dish, you can now go ahead and pour your batter into it. Once you poured your batter into the baking dish, you can just go ahead and just even it out. Now we're going to place our cake into the oven at 350 degrees for 25 to 30 minutes. Once your cake is done, we're going to let it cool off completely. Once your cake has cooled off completely, you want to get a bowl. We're going to get our Dream Whip. We're going to use both packages in it. It's a 2.6 ounce box. 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract and 1 cup of root beer soda. So now I'm going to empty both packages of my Dream Whip. Then we're going to add in our vanilla extract and also our root beer soda. Now using our hand mixer again, we're going to whip it together until it forms stiff peaks. Okay guys, once you're done whipping it together, it should have a Cool Whip consistency. So now we're going to place it on top of our cake. We're just going to go ahead and spread it out evenly. Now you want to go ahead and place it into your fridge for 30 minutes. Okay guys, after 30 minutes, we're going to go ahead and get our cherries. Now you want to place them on top of a paper towel to drain them of all their liquid when they come out the jar. Then we're going to get our Ready Whip, and we're going to just dollop it on top of our cake. Once you have your Ready Whip on top, I'm going to take a cherry. I just want to put it right on top. Just like that. Okay guys, look how pretty that is. Okay guys, so I had cut a piece out of it. You can see how nice and fluffy it is. You guys, all you want to do is stick a straw in it. Remember, it's resembling a root beer float. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef.